Green ring. Green ring is the last solar term of spring, which means rain brings up the growth of greens. It brings a marked increase in temperature and rainfall, so that plants are in blossom. Morning exercise is highly recommended, but do not sweat too much to avoid yang qi discharge. The exercise of green ring improves small intestine meridian sinew of hand, Taiyang. It begins at the little finger, runs towards the scapula and neck along the posterolateral side of arm, connecting to the outer corner of the eye. As you inhale, raise one arm with the palm facing upward. Turn your head, look down, and back to the other side. As you exhale, put down your arm over the other arm and turn your head back to the front. Repeat several times according to your own conditions. We should tonify liver and kidney and invigorate spleen and stomach in this late spring period.